Many newspapers, unfortunately, if they don't have Brainworks, suffer from what I call information starvation, meaning that they have a world of information in their advertising database, but they have no way to get to it. Brainworks created something called data mining that allows people to generate whatever report they want out of their system. It's very easy. In order to make something effective, you have to make it easy to use. And most reporting tools today, if it's not Brainworks, they require a lot of training, and they're typically only used by IT departments. What Brainworks did was we took reporting and we took it outside of the IT department, and we put reporting in the hands of everyone in the newspaper, whether it's a clerk, a manager, a sales rep, the publisher, or an IT person. With Brainworks data mining, you can really be tuned in to what's going on in your newspaper. Art McClellan at the Tyler Morning Telegraph, very tuned in. Before he had data mining, he didn't know what was going on inside his newspaper. Now with data mining, he's tuned in. He knows what he advertised last week. He knows what he's got booked for next week. And he can generate any style report he wants just by clicking a few buttons with his mouse. People want to do flash reports. They want to see what's coming up in particular special sections. They want to see what a particular ad rep has sold and in the past and what they've got sold booked into the future. They want to do comparative analysis reports to see what sales reps are up and down, what customers are up, what customers are down, what sections of the and products within the paper are up or down versus last year. Perhaps do it by zip code, perhaps and analyze it by business sector. So we might look at, for example, all retail establishments or all flower shops and see how they're doing, how they're doing advertising. Are they up or are they down? Newspapers need information to adjust what they're doing, and they've been starved in the past. With Brainworks data mining, they have the information they want. One example of using data mining might be to look at what your Sunday revenues are in the middle of the week. If you see that your revenues are lower than what you would expect them to be by that point in time, you could take some action. You could go to your sales team, run a special, whatever you have to do to get that lineage up. Because once the paper's printed, you can't get any more ads in the paper. Another example of data mining would be to perhaps use a comparative analysis report to see what customers are down from last year by more than X dollars or by more than X percent. You know, because everybody's so focused on day-to-day activity, sometimes it's easy if an advertiser starts to slide off to miss that. But you could create a Brainworks data mining report to just see what accounts are dropping by whatever percentage you feel is a threshold that needs action. So now you can really manage by exception instead of having to analyze every account every month to make sure that they're maintaining their advertising budget. This way, Brainworks can monitor it for you. Brainworks allows you to respond quickly to the market because you can see what's happening. You don't get the information a week or a month later. You see what's happening right now, what's being booked in the paper right now.